Hi, my name is Marco from June Solutions. This is a short demo of the Looker Explorer Assistant, powered by Gemini and enhanced by June Solutions. So this is the home screen of the Explorer Assistant, a chat interface built upon Looker. The underlying demo data is that of an e-commerce store. You can start typing right away or click on one of the suggested questions. Imagine I work for an e-commerce store and I have a set of 30 vouchers I've been given from my brand representative from Calvin Klein to reward high-value customers. This second question seems like a great place to start. This whole frame is something we can embed as an iframe into any application. You can see a session history on the left-hand side. Now, what Looker serves up is an explorer. So it's not just a visualization. This means the panel is fully interactive. You can see and change the filters up here. You could add new dimensions and measures right down here. Or you could simply change the visualizations. Back to my task of finding the high-value customers. It's quite hard for me to see how many customers I have right here. So let's ask the Explorer system to show it as a table. Great. So now we see we have 12 high-value customers within the last month. We should probably try and include the month before as well. Show the last 60 days. Now this looks more like it. Let's make sure to let our developers know we're happy with this output. Now let's have a look at what actually is happening with the GenAI portion of the Explorer system. GenAI models are great at predicting the most likely sequence of words. Given input A, what would be the most likely output? So here the input is just the prompt highlighted in gray. Together with some sample prompts we have assembled prior and the LookML semantic layer, which holds our business logic. The output is just this link. So let's click on it. Looker was built as an in-browser modern BI application. So a link is enough for it to generate a full visualization. What does that mean? The shortened URL is up here, but the expanded URL actually holds all the information necessary. The fields we used, the filters, the visualization is all generated from this URL. And this is exactly what the LLM is generating. Now, this is a great way to approach the strengths of a GenAI application rather than making it do everything possible. The total amount of tokens sent back and forth is very small. We do not need to send millions of rows of data to the LLM, which is costly. And the risk of hallucination stays small as well, since the SQL is generated by Looker itself with the LookML semantic layer, not by the LLM. Lastly, the security and permissioning is also all handled by Looker. My brand is Calvin Klein, my colleague might be working with Levi's. They should not be able to see my data. When I send this link to them, no data will be shown. Same as in the Explorer Assistant. Lastly, because all of this is built upon Looker's API first framework, we can actually store the session data. This is great for our developers to figure out who is using our application and how they are using it. What should we improve over time? Do they have negative or positive feedback, and which prompts bring bad results? Now let's go back to our vouchers and our recipient list. I would actually also like to update our Calvin Klein representative on what type of customers I am sending it to. Let's see if our Explorer assistant can help with a summary. Meanwhile, note that we can embed actions right from within the Looker Explorer. For example, emailing the promotion to our customer. Looks like the summary is ready. Now have a look over here. We have some key findings as well as suggestions for further analysis. we can easily send some of this information to our Calvin Klein representative. This was a short demo of the Looker Explorer system. Thank you.